Hello, chemistry class, 5th period, and I'm Mr. Brown. So for the extra credit for chemistry, we have to make super cooled water. So I'm going to show you how to make it. The ingredients you will need is a bowl, a glass cup, preferably small, we need it small, some salt, your regular old table salt, a tablespoon measure, some ice, and some purified water, which is today why I'm using Poland Spring. Okay, the first thing you have to do is measure out 2 tablespoons of purified water and put it into the glass. And that's the easy part. Now, if you come over here, we're going to put this glass right into the bowl. And now with the ice that I have conveniently right here, we're going to put all of the ice and surround it around the glass. Okay, so as you see now, all the ice is filled around the cup. Now you want to make sure that you don't get any ice into the cup because that would be wrong, like it wouldn't work. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is take your salt and pour it into the tablespoon thing that we already used earlier. And you want to spread this all on the ice. Now again, you want to make sure you don't get any of this into the water because you want the water to stay as purified as possible. And this doesn't have to be exact. You can just do, a little here, a little there. I'm just going to do a little more for you. Good time. Okay. Now this has to sit for about 15 minutes. So we're going to set the timer for, yep, you guessed it, 15 minutes. See you back here in 15 minutes. Now that 15 minutes have passed, the water is below freezing point. Now you would think that if the water was below freezing point, it would freeze. But that's the cool thing about super cooled water. Now if you could come right over here, you can see that in the bottom, it's still liquid. And as you can also see, all the salt crystals have crystallized onto the ice. The ice. So now we're going to take one of the ice crystals, see how there's salt and ice, and we're going to put it in here and watch what happens. The ice conforms to the water and the water actually freezes around the ice. So this shows that the ice is below freezing point because it actually freezes to the ice and the salt crystals. So that is how you make super cooled water. Thanks, and I'll see you again next time. Bye! After I took it out of the ice bath, you can see that when you take out the crystal, there is still a little water, but the water conformed to the ice. And if you look in here, you can see that all around the rim of the glass, there's ice, which was the water. So it is super cool.